Hey guys, welcome to Liquidation Motivation, and today we're going to review a WayFair Salvage load, and you're not going to freaking believe what we found in the pallets. All right, so we were offered a WayFair load, and we were offered a lot of different levels. I had somebody from up north reach out to me and say, hey Tom, would you like to lock down a facility in Florida for WayFair truckloads? And you know I like WayFair. WayFair has a lot of expensive furniture on their site. So if the price was right, I was certainly happy to try a load and see if it's gonna work for me. You know, I wasn't sure. I bought them before in the past. Normally I buy manifested loads. This was an unmanifested, unknown, who knows what the hell you're gonna get on the truckload load. But the price was right, the price was right. The price was under $2,000. So the load came in the other day. Now keep in mind, you can buy manifested WayFair for somewhere between 10 to 12%. You can buy manifested salvage loads for like 9%, and then you can just buy bulk salvage loads, no manifest, for a flat fee. That's what I chose, was the flat fee, so I knew what I was paying. You know, a full WayFair load normally is about $50,000 to $80,000 in value, so at 10% it's between $5,000 and $8,000 plus shipping. My load under $2,000. So the load came in the other day, and it's just big bad boxes of furniture. You know, I wasn't sure what to think when I first pulled it off, but I was super excited to start digging into it. Now we're going to show you in this video all the stuff that we dug out of our WayFair load. Hey guys, Tom coming at you from the office here. Listen, I appreciate everybody that watches my channel. You know, this creates a bond between you and me. I meet a lot of you at the meetups, a lot of you in Vegas. You know, so please, if you would subscribe to the channel, only about 40% of the people that watch my videos subscribe. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you need to reach out to me, you can get a hold of me by text, only text, don't call me, 315-778-8744. What do we got? I mean, I don't know how they could know this was salvage if they never opened it up, unless they did open it up and close it. I don't know.
Let's get this out of the way.
It doesn't look like it was open. These are two benches. Aluminum bench seat with slatted resin seats. Okay.
Two benches. Oh, no way.
Oh my God.
Keeping it. No, we're keeping it for the break room.
A 7-foot outdoor aluminum pool table, ping pong table, dining room table. Holy crap. How much does this cost? This has got to be a fortune.
It's got a SKU number on it. You should be able to look at it from that. Well, that's just the bench. Right here.
Oh my God.
Holy. Oh wow.
$5,000. $5,000, one item. One item, look at this. Looks brand new in the box.
He's not going to let me keep it.
Wow. This is crazy. These are the slabs.
Yeah, that's your ping pong side.
Oh,
yes, dude.
That is beautiful. Look at that.
It would look really nice in our break room.
It sure would look nice. They want to put it in the break room, but I thought we wouldn't get any work done around here, so I said, nah, not going to happen. That is nice, though. We're going to put that all together. Not right now, but we're going to put it together. We're going to be able to get good bucks out of that, because in Florida, everybody has lanais, and remember, it never gets freaking cold in Florida, so everybody will want this for their back patio. They're building 10,000 houses within 5 miles of where we're at. Somebody's going to want that for their backyard. I guarantee it. And at $5,000 new, I don't see any reason why we can't get $3 grand out of it. We should easily be able to get $3 grand out of it, brand new. Somebody's going to buy it, and guess what? That's going to pay for the whole freaking load.
One item pays for the whole load.
Let's see what else we got. All right. One of the things that the contractor holder told me is that, so they're loading these trucks, right? It's a drop trailer truck program. So the shipping company has to drop the trailer there for a day. WayFair loads it up, and then they come back the next day and pick it up and bring it to you. So whenever they do that, remember, they're clearing out their warehouse of all this merchandise. So you might get box 2 of 3, you might get, you know, some missing parts, missing pieces, but he says, just put it off to the side whenever you get this order in, because the next order might be the boxes that complete those items. So fortunately, we have a lot of space here that we can store stuff. We are getting a lot of boxes like this. This is like a whole king bedroom set over there, you know, but it's missing one of the boxes. There should be 4 boxes. I only have 3. I haven't found the 4th one yet, which I might find it. I don't know. But I'm going to wait until next load and just keep these loads. Remember, they sell multiples of all this stuff. So you know, maybe you get a couch that has 1 part bad. Now you might get another couch with another part bad. Keep them so you can put them together, because this furniture is valuable. It's super, super valuable. So you want to hold on to it as long as you can. Don't get me wrong. Once a month, you're going to have to do a dump run to get rid of all the excess crap that you have. You're just going to have to get rid of it. But hold on to it as long as you can, because you probably can find the parts and pieces that go to it. Verify, classify
as trash, yeah.
As salvage, right? I mean, there's trash stickers all over it. Trash, trash, trash. The thing is brand new in the box. I don't understand. I mean, nobody opened it. You know, maybe they like screwed up the inventory, or didn't, you know, or it wasn't in the right inventory spot. So I don't know.
Well,
I don't know
because they ship stuff. Do you think it could be because maybe the box was messed up a little bit and not put together? Like they couldn't ship it because the box wasn't sealed right?
I guess it could be, right? There was a little damage to the box, but I mean,
well, yeah, it's like split right here,
but you can see that there's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's in perfect condition. I mean, you will have some things that you're going to have to fix in these loads, right? So you have to be a little bit handy, or have a handyman that works for you. Let me show you a couple of those items. All right, just start popping these open. They're really light.
Oh.
Oval pedestal tabletop. Oh yeah.
I like it when I don't have to build the chairs.
Yeah, that's a good thing about this load, is a lot of it just comes already put together. This is my favorite place to be, behind a bar. Actually, in front of a bar is probably a better spot that I want to be. But this is an example of some of the merchandise you're going to get. So looking this up on WayFair, it's a $2,000 in-home bar, right? It has drawers and wine racks on the back side here. But if you come here, Paul, come up close, you can see that the top is cracked. So this is why it's in a salvage load. This makes sense to be in a salvage load, right? But when I talk to my repair guy, he says all the pieces are here, all the parts are here. This is an easy fix. We're just going to glue this back together, put some heavy duty glue in here. We're going to sand it down and restain the top. And then we're going to have a piece you're never going to know that this piece was cracked. Never going to know this piece was cracked. So you have to be a little bit handy. You have to know how to fix these kind of things. This TV stand right here came in the load, and the back leg is broke off. Other than that, I mean, and this sucker is heavy, 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 super heavy. So we got to fix that leg. This dresser came in the load. This was $9.99 on WayFair.
It's absolutely perfect. There was nothing wrong with this one.
Nothing wrong with it at all. This desk was on there. I think this is $3.50 on WayFair. Absolutely perfect. This recliner over here, absolutely perfect. I'm thinking about taking this home, because this is, you know, this recliner has 2 cup holders in it, so I can like hold my cigar in one of them, and then put my daddy juice in the other one whenever I'm relaxing at home at night. Beautiful, right? This is a bathroom vanity. Came out perfect, absolutely perfect, nothing wrong with it. It doesn't have a top, so it's a lot harder to sell without a top. I guess this is the way they sold it, though. We went on their website. It was $1,000 on the website.
But because of our Lowe's loads, we get countertops in. We get wooden countertops in that people have returned at Lowe's.
All the time.
We could easily just put a 1-inch thick top on this, cut the holes for the sinks, and you've got a perfectly good vanity.
We got 8 of these polywood chairs. I'm not sure where the table is, but we're still digging in boxes. We'll be right back. So we just opened up this box, and it was a beautiful dresser. You open it up, it's got velvet on the inside. Look at the handles. All the handles are here. We looked it up. This thing is like $3,000 new. It's super heavy. Had to leave it on a pallet, super heavy. And I think they scrapped this one. If you can like show this little spot right here, Paul. There's a little bit of damage on the top, and that's the only thing wrong with this dresser. It's unbelievable, it's nice, it's super valuable, you know, and hopefully we can get, I don't even know, $1,000 out of it maybe? I mean, if it's 3,000 new, got a little scratch, $1,000, I think that's pretty reasonable. Will somebody buy it though? That's the question, will somebody buy it? So that's another good find. Look at it, I got trash, they said trash. One little spot on it. They should have a scratch and dent section. But see, this company is all online, right? They don't have a WayFair scratch and dent store. It's all online. So whenever they get something with a flaw, if they ship that to somebody, they're gonna immediately reject it and send it back. So they don't do that. So they just get rid of it. They sell it to people like you and me. Holy shit, look what we also found in the pallets. Look at this beautiful sectional. I mean, this thing is $5,000 on WayFair. It's got LED lights on the bottom. It's electric on the sides. Look at this right here, Paul. Paul, come here, zoom in, come here. Look at this. It's got a Bluetooth speaker in it. It's got the controls are controlled here for the chairs, a wireless charging technology. It has cup holders. This might be the coolest sectional I ever saw. It's leather, it's beautiful. Now when it came in, this piece was ripped bad. So that's why that it was put in a salvage load. But guess what they gave us? They gave us a whole other section. So we just swapped out that top for this top, and now it's in pretty good shape. There is one other little flaw here. There's a couple little tears right here that we're gonna get a leather repair kit so we can fix it. But this couch is badass. What can I resell it for? I don't know, maybe $3 grand? People will pay up on stuff like this because it's impressive, it's cool, centerpiece of their house. They love it, they love it. I guarantee you, we're gonna pay for the whole load again off just one item. Here we go, another beautiful piece, $1,500 at WayFair. This door came off, we put it back on in like 3 minutes, done. $1,500, it's a 10-foot TV. You know, when I went to Costco the other day, some guy was walking out with a 100-inch TV. I'm like, who the hell, what kind of stand can you put a 100-inch TV on? I found it, a 10-foot TV stand right here. Just came out of the load. There's no way that we don't get $7,000, $8,000 out of this. It's beautiful. It's perfect for somebody. It's modern. All this stuff is modern. All this stuff is great. It's easy to sell when it's new, modern furniture. Guys, thanks for watching my video today. Liquidation Motivation. Make sure you like and subscribe. And listen, if you're interested in getting these WayFair loads, reach out to me. I'll put my phone number here at the bottom of the screen. Text me, don't call me. And if I don't answer right away, feel free to harass me and keep texting me. But these loads are under $2,000 a load. They're beautiful loads. They're available all over the country. Or you can get manifested loads at like 10 to 12%. You know, I'm connected with the guy that has these contracts, and then we can deliver them to you. So reach out to me. Here's my phone number. Liquidation Motivation. Now go out there and make some money.